Alright, at a pretty good stopping point on this 12 volt power pack with a Dakota Lithium 54 amp hour battery inside, and I'll get inside here and I'll show you what's going on with the wiring. It actually turned out pretty darn good. The way this thing works, well, first off, let me show you. These are always hot. These are battery posts, and I've got one over here that I'm painting red, right? So to go on there for safety, color coordination, or whatever you want to call it. The first thing you notice that the strap that came with the battery isn't really that good. It's very, very flimsy. So I used an actual ratchet cargo strap on here. I need to get another carb bender. Pop that off right there. Look good. So here you go. 12 volt, no kidding, cigarette lighter sockets. These aren't 12 volt power sockets, but you can use them as a 12 volt power socket. Dual. I'm going to put my fancy dancy lanyard just like this right here. So I'll have covers and they'll flop down. That's one thing I still need to do. So as I said before, these guys are hot. I used 4 AWG welding cable. And the switch here does the kind of low voltage stuff, the power outlets and this outlet here. So you go turn on switch here. See how everything turns on? Here. You can turn this off so you can charge your phone. And then these guys right here become hot. See here? You turn it off. Bam! Just like that. Now here's the really sexy cool thing. Is that, okay, behind here, you see how I got a 3 amp hour charger right here for the lithium. This is a Dakota Lithium 3 amp charger, and I got with the company, and he said, yeah, you can use that to charge the 54 amp hour battery. So all you do is just plug it in right there. Bada bing. It's already at full charge anyway, see? You don't need to turn that on to make it work, because that's wired into the bus, which has really turned out kind of cool. Unplug this, and let's go on the inside. And I'll show you the wiring. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to add on the carrying handle, I'm gonna have to get one that's a little bit taller than this guy right here. So I'll take this into Lowe's or Home Depot and get one that's a little bit taller, kind of a industrial tractor supply kind of deal, a little bit bigger, and I'll mount that on the lid right there. So here's the wiring. Here's something I don't like, and I'm reached out to Dakota Lithium on these F12 Allen head battery post deals. I want to use quick disconnects, kind of like something like this. So I need to figure out what the thread count is and all that. But this is all do-it-yourself fabricated 4-gauge welding cable that goes right to the battery post right there. And then for the electronics here, I use 10-gauge rated THHN wire into a fuse here, 30 amp fuse, to the switch, and the switch then energizes the positive side of the, well, the whole thing right here. Pretty simple. Lots of room for storage down here. See right in here? Or you put a light assembly on the front here with a switch. All kinds of good stuff I could throw on here. So just under, well, I'll have to weigh it. It's probably about 18 and a half pounds, 19 pounds maybe, under 20, this whole thing. So there you have it. Beats 75 pounds with that Trojan I had. And you can also, plug in an inverter through here if you want to do an inverter, a little micro inverter. So, or start a car, whatever. There you have it.